Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 15 decimal fractions in that exercise 15C. So let's discuss homework answers first. Fifth question. In that second one, divide each of the following numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. Second question 0.923. So 0.923 division 10, you will get 0.0923. 0.923 division 100, it is 0.00923. Now 0.923 division 1000, it is 0.000923. Now sixth question, evaluate 8.64 division 1.6. Fourth question it is. Okay. So you will get the answer 5.4. Next fifth question, 37.188 division 3.6. The answer is 10.33. Next sixth question, 16.5 by 0.15. You will get the answer 110. Now seventh question, fill in the blanks with the 10, 100, 1000 or 10,000 etc. Okay. First one, 7.85 into dash equal to 78.5. So here you can see point is in between 7 and 8 here. Okay. Now in the answer, this point move to right side. One place to the right side. So if the decimal point is moved to one place to the right, what will be here? Multiplication 10 it will be. Okay, you know, if you are multiplying by 10, if you are multiplying a decimal fraction by 10, then the decimal point will move one place to the right. Okay, so in the answer, here one place to the right it has moved. So here in the blank it will be 10. ഇവിടെ ഡെസിമൽ പോയിന്റ് ഒരു പ്ലേസ് റൈറ്റിലേക്ക് മൂവ് ചെയ്യുകയാണ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത് ആൻസറിൽ. ഓക്കെ, 7.85 എന്നുള്ളത് 78.5 ആയി. സോ ഇവിടെ വരാം മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ബൈ 10. ഓക്കെ. Second question, 0.442 into dash equal to 442. So decimal point is here. Okay, now decimal point is moved. 442 means here is the decimal point. After 442 it will be the decimal point. So decimal point is moved 3 places to the right. So what it will be? Multiplication 3 places means it is 1000. 1000 has 3 zeros. Okay. So if you are multiplying a decimal fraction by 1000, then only the decimal point will move 3 places to the right. Okay. So here in the blank it is 1000. ഇവിടെ decimal point 3 places റൈറ്റിലേക്ക് മൂവ് ചെയ്യാണ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. Okay, 442 means 442.000. Any number of 0 you can put. Okay, so here decimal point moved 3 places to the right, so it is multiplication by 1000. Okay, next third one, 0.0924 into dash equal to 9.24. Here you can see decimal point is moved 2 places to the right. Okay, here is the decimal point at first. Then it moved to right side 2 places. So it is multiplication by 100. If the decimal point is moved 2 places to the right, then it is multiplication by 100. Okay. Next fourth one, 0.00187 into dash equal to 18.7. Here decimal point is moved to here. That is decimal point is moved 1, 2, 3, 4 places to the right. So it is multiplication by 10,000. Okay. Next 2.6 into dash equal to 2,600. Now here decimal point is moved to how many places? 2,600 means it is 2,600 point. Okay. So it is moved 1, 2, 3 places to the right. Here 2.6 means 2.600. 2.6 എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ 2.600 എത്ര സീറോസ് വേണമെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് ഇട്ട് കൊടുക്കാം. അപ്പോൾ ഡെസിമൽ പോയിന്റ് ആദ്യം 2ന്റെയും 6ന്റെയും ഇടയിലുള്ളത് പിന്നെ 0 ആഫ്റ്റർ ആയി. ഓക്കെ, സോ എത്ര പ്ലേസസ് മൂവ് ചെയ്തു? 1 2 3 പ്ലേസസ് റൈറ്റിലേക്ക് മൂവ് ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ് ഡെസിമൽ പോയിന്റ് ഇവിടെ എത്തിയത്. ഓക്കെ, സോ 3 പ്ലേസസ് മൂവ് ചെയ്യുക പറയുമ്പോൾ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ബൈ 1000. ഓക്കെ, 2.6 into 1000 you will get 2600. Now sixth one 0.08 into dash equal to 80. Okay, so 8 after 8 ഒരു 0 കൂടി കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടാണ് ഡെസിമൽ പോയിന്റ് ഇവിടെ ആൻസറിൽ വരുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, സോ എത്ര പ്ലേസസ് ഇവിടെ മൂവ് ചെയ്തു? 1 2 3 പ്ലേസസ്. സോ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ബൈ 1000. ഓക്കെ, 3 പ്ലേസസ് റൈറ്റിലേക്ക് മൂവ് ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ് 80 എന്നുള്ള ആൻസർ കിട്ടി. സോ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ബൈ 1000. നൗ 96.7 ഡിവിഷൻ ഡാഷ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 0.967. സോ ഡിവിഷൻ ആണ്. ഡെസിമൽ പോയിന്റ് ഇസ് മൂവ്ഡ് 2 പ്ലേസസ് ടു ദ ലെഫ്റ്റ്. ആദ്യം 96.7 6ന്റെ 7ന്റെ ഇടയിൽ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നത്, പിന്നെ അത് 9ന്റെ മുമ്പേ വന്നു. അപ്പോൾ ലെഫ്റ്റിലേക്ക് മൂവ് ചെയ്യാണ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. എത്ര പ്ലേസസ്? 1 2. ഓക്കെ, സോ ലെഫ്റ്റിലേക്ക് 2 പ്ലേസസ് മൂവ് ചെയ്ത ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് ഡിവിഷൻ ബൈ 100. ഓക്കെ, a decimal fraction on division by 100, this decimal point will move 2 places to the left. Okay, next 8th one 5.2 division dash equal to 0.52. So here decimal point, at first it was in between 5 and 2. Okay, then in the answer next you got the decimal point before 5. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഡെസിമൽ പോയിന്റ് ഇവിടെ എത്ര പ്ലേസസ് ലെഫ്റ്റിലേക്ക് മൂവ് ചെയ്തു? 1 പ്ലേസ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഡിവിഷൻ ബൈ 10. ഓക്കെ, 5.2 ഡിവിഷൻ 10 you will get 0.52. If the decimal point is moved 1 place to the left means it is division by 10. ഓക്കെ, ഡെസിമൽ പോയിന്റ് ഡിവിഷൻ ബൈ 10 ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴാണ് 1 പ്ലേസ് ലെഫ്റ്റിലേക്ക് മൂവ് ചെയ്യുക. Next 9th one 33.15 division dash equal to 0.03315. So decimal point at first it is in between 3 and 1. You can see here. Okay, in the answer it is in 3 3. Before this 3 1 0 is coming and before this decimal point is coming. Okay, so decimal point is moved 1 2 3 places to the left. So it is division by 1000. ഇവിടെ ഡെസിമൽ പോയിന്റ് ആദ്യം ഇവിടെ ആയിരുന്നു, പിന്നെ 3 3, പിന്നെ ഒരു 0യുടെ മുമ്പിലാണ് ഇവിടെ ഡെസിമൽ പോയിന്റ് വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കാണാൻ പറ്റും. സോ ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് ഡിവിഷൻ ബൈ 1000. 3 പ്ലേസസ് ലെഫ്റ്റിലേക്ക് മൂവ് ചെയ്തു ഡെസിമൽ പോയിന്റ്. സോ ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് ഡിവിഷൻ ബൈ 1000. ഓക്കെ, സോ റിമൈനിങ് 2 ഡു ആസ് homework. 8th question, evaluate first one 9.32 minus 28.54 division 10. So here subtraction is coming and division is coming. So you know BODMAS rule. First division, then only subtraction. Okay, as per BODMAS rule, you have to divide first, then subtraction. So 9.32 minus 28.54 division 10. Division by 10, decimal fraction division 10. If a decimal fraction is divided by 10, decimal point will move 1 place to the left. Okay, this is left side. So 1 here will be the decimal point. It is 2.854. 28.54 division 10, it is 2.854. Now you can do the subtraction. 9.32 minus 2.854. Okay, here you can put 0. So here 10, 1. Now it will be 11, 2, 12. Here 8. Okay, so 6 here also 6, here 4.6. Okay, so you will get 6.466. This is the final answer. Second one 0.234 into 10 plus 62.8. So here multiplication is coming, addition is coming. So as per BODMAS rule, you have to multiply first, then only addition. Okay, now 0.234 into 10. So multiplication by 10. This decimal point will move 1 place to the right. Okay, multiplication comes means you have to move the decimal point to the right side. So this here is the decimal point, moving this one place to the right. This is 1. Now here will be the decimal point. That is 2.34. Okay. 0.234 into 10, it is 2.34 plus 62.8. Now you can add 2.34 plus 62.8. Okay, adding you will get 65.14. Okay, so the answer is 65.14. Third question, 3.06 into 100 minus 889.4 division 100. So here multiplication is coming, subtraction is coming, division is coming. So as per BODMAS rule, you have to do division first, then multiplication, after that subtraction. Okay, so 3.06 into 100 minus 889.4 division 100. So it is division by 100. So decimal point will move 2 places to the left. Okay, so here is the decimal point 1, 2. Now the decimal point will be here. Okay, 8.894 you will get. Decimal point will move 2 places to the left. You will get 8.894. 889.4 division 100, it is 8.894. Now next you have to do the multiplication. 3.06 into 100. So here multiplication by 100. Decimal point will move 2 places to the right. Okay, so this is, here is the decimal point. This is 1, 2. Here will be the decimal point. That is 306 you will get. 3.06 into 100, it is 306 minus 8.894. Now you can subtract. 306 you can subtract 8.894. So here after decimal point in 306 you can put zeros here. Okay. Now doing the subtraction, what you will get here 10. Here 10 9. Now again 10 9. Here 5. Okay, so 6 plus 4 10. Now 9 minus 9 0. 9 minus 8 1. Here point will come. Now here again 15. 10 9. Here 2. Okay, now 7 9 2. 297.106 you will get. Okay, 297.106 is the answer. Now 8th question, 4th and 5th do as homework. Next topic, using decimals in A denoting the value of currency. So for denoting the value of currency, we will use decimals. Okay, we can express rupees and paise together in decimal system as shown below. Rupees 14 and 42 paise equal to rupees 14.42. Okay, ഒരു റുപ്പീസിനെയും പൈസേനെയും ടുഗെദർ നമുക്ക് ഡെസിമൽ സിസ്റ്റം യൂസ് ചെയ്ത് എക്സ്പ്രസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. സോ റുപ്പീസ് 14 and 42 paise, how we can write this? Rupees 14.42. 14.42 എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് 14 rupees and 42 paise. ഓക്കെ, എപ്പോഴും after decimal point it is paise and before decimal point it is rupees. Okay, next example, rupees 3 and 8 paise. Here you have to note one thing. It is 3 rupees. So in the rupees part you can write a 3.8 paise. 8 paise we will write it as 08, not just 8. 8 എന്ന് മാത്രമല്ല എഴുതുക, 8 നമ്മൾ എഴുതുമ്പോൾ ആഫ്റ്റർ ഡെസിമൽ പോയിന്റ് പൈസ പാർട്ട് എഴുതുമ്പോൾ എപ്പോഴും 2 digits വേണം. ഓക്കെ, 2 digits should be there. So 8 paise we will write it as 08. Okay, similarly 5 paise, how we will write? In rupees part it is 0 rupees. Rupees part il onnula. So 0.5 paise, how we will write it? 05. Okay, after decimal point 5 ennu matra ezhudharudhu, it is 05. 0.05 means it is 5 paise. 3.08 means 3 rupees 8 paise. Okay. Exercise 15D. First question. Express in paise. First one, rupees 8.40. So here you have to express this in paise. That is rupees you have to express in paise. Okay. So in order to express rupees in paise, just multiply the given rupees by 100. Okay. That is 8.40 into 100. So what you will get? Here multiplication by 100, decimal point will move 2 places to the right. So this is 1, 2. Here will be the decimal point, that is 840. The answer will be 840 paise. Okay. In order to express rupees, given rupees in paise, just multiply the given rupees by 100. Given rupees ne paise il express cheyan idine 100 vechu multiply cheyda madi. Okay, so 800 rupees 8.40, it is 840 paise. Next, second one, rupees 0.97. In order to express the given rupees in paise, just multiply it by 100. Okay, so 0.97 into 100 you can do. So what you will get? Here multiplication by 100. So decimal point will move 2 places to the right. Okay, here is the decimal point. So 1, 2. To the right it is moving. Here will be the new decimal point. That is 97 paise. Okay, so rupees 0.97, it is 97 paise. Third one, rupees 0.09. So in order to express this in paise, just multiply the given rupees by 100. That is 0.09. You can multiply by 100. So if multiplication by 100 means decimal point will move 2 places to the right. Okay. Here is the decimal point. So this is 1, 2. Here will be the new decimal point. That is 9. Okay. So 0.09 it is 9 paise. Second question, express in rupees. First one, 55 paise. So here you have to express paise in rupees. Okay. In order to express paise in rupees, just divide the given paise by 100. Okay. So 55 paise. 55 by 100 you can do. That is 55 division 100. Okay. So what you will get? Division 100 means decimal point will move 2 places to the left. Okay, so here 55. In 55, where is the decimal point? Here. Okay, moving this decimal point 2 places to the left. 1, 2. Here will be the decimal point. So the answer will be 0.55. 0.55 means 0.55 rupees it is. Okay. In order to express paise in rupees, just divide the given paise by 100. Paise na rupees il express cheyanengi given paise na 100 vechu divide cheya. Okay. And ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചത് റുപ്പീസിനെ പൈസയിൽ എക്സ്പ്രസ് ചെയ്യാൻ just multiply the given rupees by 100. Similarly here, in order to express paise in rupees, just divide the given paise by 100. Okay. Second one, 8 paise. So paise you have to express in rupees. So divide the given paise by 100. So 8 by 100 you have to do. Okay. 8 by 100. If division by 100 means decimal point will move 2 places to the left. Okay. So in 8, where is the decimal point? After 8 it will be. Okay. So this moving this decimal point 2 places to the left. This is 1. Here second digit. You can put 0 here. Okay. So this is 1, 2. Here will be the decimal point. That is 0.08. It is 0.08 rupees. So this is the answer. 8 paise, it is rupees 0.08. Third one, 695 paise. So in order to express paise in rupees, just divide the given paise by 100. Okay, division by 100, decimal point will move 2 places to the left. Okay, in 695, here is the decimal point. So moving this decimal point 2 places to the left. This is 1, 2. Here will be the decimal point. Okay, so it is, the answer is rupees 6.95. Okay, 695 paise means it is rupees 6.95. Exercise 15D, first question 4th one and second question 4th one do as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.